this is the first thing. I deserve it all.
Hey, welcome back. What's your poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video. And you already seen that title. I will be doing a half up, half down, 2 braided ponytails in the front, and then the back gonna be straight with 2 little bang scripts. Now, if y'all don't know what that is, I've been seeing it a lot. And all I did was just take some scripts from the front and made like a little bang. So yeah. So right now, as you can see, I'm combing it out and trying to get the parts together. First, I'm doing like the front, which is the 2 ponytails in the front. But I went across and did like the half up, half down part. And then I did the 2 ponytails. And all I did was part it across from ear to ear. And then I parted it from the middle of the head to the back of that ending of that middle part that I did, if that makes sense. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification button, because I am going to be posting every week at least 2 videos. So period. And if you have any suggestions, comment down below too. I mean, you can comment down below anything. Give me some ideas what you think I should have did. As you can see, I started on the ponytails that I was talking about earlier in the front. I parted it from the middle of the head to the back of that part that's in the middle of the hair. So after I got both of the ponytails ready, I just started foaming it into the ponytail, and that's what I did. But as you can see, that's the little strip thing I was talking about for the bang. So I braided that, and I did 2. So one on one side, one on the other side. But you'll see what I'm talking about. You know, I had to get my gel that I always use for my mannequin head. So yeah, that's what I use to actually make it hard and stuff. So that's when I started doing the ponytail. just doing the same thing for the other side, doing the little bang part first, which is the little strip. I call it a strip. And then I braid that little strip. Then I do the ponytail. After I finished the ponytails, I combed the ponytail straight out and started braiding it. Now let me tell you, I don't know, my mind just was like, it look cute like this. So I was like, I just started braiding, and then I just wrapped it around like a little bun on both sides. But yeah. See, it looks so cute when it's braided and wrapped around. Now with the regular ponytails, it looked too not extra, you know? So yeah, it looked cute. And then I just combed out the back part and boom, half up, half down with 2 braided buns in the front with the freaking strip bangs, period. So comment down below how you think I did. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, period, and turn on that notification button, because I am going to be posting every week. I don't know how many times I got to say that. How you think I did though? 1 to 10, come on now.